All right, we've got a 91 F150 pulling the dash pad. We've got to pull the HVAC and the glove box. I can feel there's two nuts back here. I believe it's 3/8. Just past the switch here. Captive nut with a washer, and then closer in between the glove box and the vent. All right, unfortunately I didn't hit record, so I didn't get this last part, but we ended up having to take the dash out and remove the defrost ducting. And the nuts lied right behind the defrost ducting on that middle bar there. One resides on the left side of the radio, the others are on the passenger side. Here's a look at the back side of the dash pad. There are 5 bolts in total. I wouldn't say it's necessarily difficult to pull the dash. Few screws and some bolts, but that is quite the job.